without hope, faith is non-existent, that it begins with hope. Ephesians 2:12 says that at that time ye were without Christ, being aliens from the commonwealth of Israel and strangers from the covenants of promise, having no hope without God in the world. It's a terrible place to be, in a position without any hope. How many of you know hope is a powerful thing? You think about the joy that comes in the eyes of our young children when you tell them you're going to take them someplace or do something, and they get excited. Really? They get excited. Now think about that. Transfer that over to the Godward side. God wants to do some amazing things. He wants to do some impossibilities through us. In the meantime, in the middle of it, we're going, okay, it's fine for you, but not for me. But God says, I have so much more for you.